Okay, today I'm going to talk to you about one-step equations. Remember, one-step equations is all about making sure we get the variable by itself so we can figure out what is the value of the variable. So this problem is 6 plus w, so some number, equals 13. We have a positive 6, we have some number, w, and it equals a positive 13. So what kind of problem did this start out as? It's an addition problem. So then we need to take the inverse of addition. Inverse means opposite. So what is the opposite of an addition problem? The opposite would be subtraction. So in order to figure out our answer, we're going to need to subtract to find w. So let's take a look at how that works. I've got 6 positives plus some number w is equal to 13 positives. In order to get w by itself, I have to subtract. Well, what am I going to subtract? Well, I have to subtract what is attached to my variable because the whole goal is to get the variable or the w by itself. And right now, it's attached to a positive 6. So in order to get rid of positive 6, I have to subtract 6. So I'm going to subtract 6. So I'm going to put 6 negatives on one side of my equal sign, but I'm also going to put 6 negatives on the other side of my equal sign because they have to stay balanced. They have to stay equal. So if I do 6 negatives on one side, I have to do 6 negatives on the other side of the equal sign. That way they stay balanced and they stay equal. So I'm subtracting 6, and remember, when I have a positive and a negative, they go to the sea of zeros. So let's start canceling these out. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, another positive and a negative, and then I have another positive and another negative, and they all go away. Now I have to do it to this side. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. I got 2 more positives and 2 more negatives. Now I'm done. If I was doing this mathematically, I would take 6 away from 6, and I would take 6 away from 13. 6 minus 6 is 0. As you can see, we have no more positives or negatives on this side, leaving me with just w equals, and then I would just count how many positives I have left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So w would equal 7. I hope this has been helpful. Please let me know if you have any problems.